All right. Now, you can use any method. If you've already started question 6, I'd like you to stay out of this discussion because you're going to ruin it. No offense. So, if you have not started question 6 yet, let's have a look at the first number. 5 to the 3 divided by 5 to the 3. You may not know where I'm going with this, and that's fine. That's the reason why I'm going through this. What do you expect the answer is going to be if I evaluate it? You cannot answer this question if you started question 6. So hands up if you are following this discussion right now. Okay, so Mitchell, let's go with you. What do you think? What do you think this one's going to be here?
Can I use a calculator to work it out?
Sure. So you can take the calculator out and I'll ask someone else. All right, Talia, what do you think this one's going to be? You don't know? Okay. Who else is following? Lockie, what do you think?
5, 6.
5, 6. Careful, we're dividing here. So when we're dividing, we don't add the indices.
What does evaluate mean?
Evaluate means give me an answer which is just one number. Okay.
5-0.
Okay. 5-0 is a step in the right direction. Now, how did you get 5-0, Thalia?
I don't know, so subtract.
Okay, subtract because you're dividing.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, that makes sense.
Okay. Now, I have not actually told you what this is. The whole reason I'm going through this now is we actually need to decide as a community of mathematicians what we mean by taking a number to the power of 0. So if we want to proceed with this, it will be really nice if our definition for 5 to the power of 0 also works with this index law. So on the right-hand side, I've applied the index law. So whatever this turns out to be, featuring Mitchell and his calculator, it's going to have to be the same as 5 to the power of 0. So what did you find, Mitchell?
I'll put in the same thing that you've done on the board.
Yeah.
Come up with 1.
It comes up with 1. Now let's reflect for a moment. Now that I'm telling you that the answer here is 1, does that come as a surprise to you? Why not?
Because it's only one part.
What happens when I take a number and I divide it by itself?
Yeah. 1.
It's the same number, okay?
So they're all 1.
Yeah, these are all 1.
What about the 1?
It doesn't matter what y, it's still going to be 1. Okay?
Isn't that easy?
Yes. So this next index law, raising something to a power of 0, is actually really easy. Whenever you see a power of 0, the answer is just going to be 1.
What if they're different?
What if they're different? Can you give me an example?
So, like, for example, 2 over 3 and
Like 2 to the power
2 over 2 to the power 4.
All right, so Mitchell, let's go with you. What was your one?
2 to the power of 9 and 2 to the power of 4.
So like this?
Yeah.
Well, we have an index law for this. We subtract the indices when we divide.
Yeah.
Talia, what was your example?
No.
No? No, that's okay. All right, so write this down. For any non-zero number, so you should write this in your bound references if you don't notice already. Okay? If I take any number and take it to the power of 0, the answer is going to be 1. Now, I need to explain something. Okay, so this is, you don't have to write this down. So I have a theory.
Was that A equals D?
Where?
On the top.
0. So you don't have to copy down the right-hand side.
Whoa.
So I think if your calculator is designed the way that I think it is, if you try 0 to the power of 0, it's going to fart. Well, not literally. It's gonna throw an error. Does anyone want to try it? 0 to the 0.
Wait, what?
Yeah, look at that.
Undefined.
Oh, math error.
Math error, yep.
Cancel.
Overflow error. Yep.
Arrow, go to.
Okay, so your textbook doesn't tell you this. I just want to take a few moments to explain why. If someone says to me, any number to the power of 0 is 1, I would say yes, except for 0. Think about it this way.
It doesn't work. Yeah, no.
Okay, have a look down the bottom left here, guys. What happens when I go up? What number do I need to multiply by to go from the bottom level to the middle level? Yeah, I'm timesing by 5. Now, these two numbers are 0, right? Is that okay? Is there a number such that something times 1 equals, hang on. Oh, hang on. Not that. Not that. Sorry, this might be confusing.
James.
Okay, have a look up here. I'm timesing, Talia. Have a look up here. I'm timesing by 5 each time I go up this way. I'm timesing by 0 every time I go up this way.
So if it was a 2, you would times by 2.
That's right. So whatever 0 to the 0 is, it's going to give me 0. What numbers could I put in here? In that square? What possible numbers could go here? Let's do it.
1. Any number.
Any number. That's why 0 to the 0 is undefined. Any number can go here. All right, so we'll leave it at that. I'm just getting the sense that some of you aren't listening or showing me respect when I'm trying to teach the class. Thank you. All right, so